Hello everyone. As we all know, English is one of the richest languages in the world. I should say the richest language in the world. Why richest? Because it has a rich vocabulary. Words, phrases, expressions, expansions, and so many things that can be expressed, that can be written, that can be spoken in many ways. In this way, we can say English is the richest language. It is not our mother tongue. Today I have brought for you some words. They carry the same meaning, and so many a time they confuse us when we read about them, when we listen to about them, we get confused. I am talking about a word in Hindi, bhi, that can be expressed in many other ways in English language. Today, some words that they have same meaning. कुछ ऐसे शब्द जिनके शब्दार्थ बिल्कुल सेम है, एज इट इज नो चेंज एट ऑल, एंड सो मैनी अ टाइम दे कंफ्यूज अस when to use, how to use. So we'll be looking today to all those words carrying the meaning in Hindi bhi. You can see that I have listed some words on the board here. Bhi, with also, as well, to, either, even. So now question may be arising in your mind. If they have the same meaning, might be they have the same usage in the sentences. No, you are wrong. Their use in the sentences are different. Right? Let us start with the word also. ALSO. You can see I have one positive sign before to it. It means also in Hindi bhi is used in positive sense. Example, he is also coming. They are also rich. Here you have to remember one thing, or you have to keep in mind one thing, that the word also is used between helping verb and main verb. If you have both the verbs, helping verb and main verb in your sentence, then use also between them. As I said, he is also coming. Means is your helping verb, coming is your main verb. In between you have to place the term also. In case if you have no main verb, in that case or such cases, place the word also after helping verb. They are also rich. Fine. Next comes as well. It is also used with positive sense, giving positive meaning. But remember, you can see that I have used positive sign at last. It means the term as well, having the same meaning as also, but used at the last of the sentence. It means as well must be last words of your sentence or sentences. He is coming as well. They are rich as well. Right? Next is to, carrying the same meaning in Hindi as also and as well, means bhi only. Giving positive sense means in positive it is used. And like as well, the word to is also placed at last. It means this is the last word, or this must be the last word of the sentence. He is coming too. They are rich too. Right? So these three words, also, as well, and to, they are used in positive. Also is used between helping verb and main verb, as well to be used at the last of the sentence, same as to be used at the last of the sentence. Now we have two more. Either. Either is used with negative sense. It gives negative sense. He is not coming either. If you are using the sentence, he is coming either, it's the wrong sentence. Right? Why? Because either must be used when your sentence is negative. They are not rich either. He is not coming either. वह भी नहीं आ रहा है. वे लोग भी रिच नहीं हैं, धनवान नहीं हैं. Like that. And next comes even. Here you have to remember one thing. Even is the only word carrying the meaning in Hindi bhi, like, also, as well, to, and either. Even is the only single word carrying both the terms, positive and negative. Means you can use even with assertive sentences as well as negative sentences. He is not coming even. Sorry, I am sorry here. One more thing I have to tell you, that even is the term to be used at the first of the sentence. It means to, as well, they are used at last, but even to be used at first. It means even should be the first word of your sentence. Even he is coming, or even he is not coming, in both the senses, assertive as well as negative. चाहे आप बोले कि वह भी आ रहा है, या आप कहें वह भी नहीं आ रहा है. If you have this sort of sentences and you have to speak the same in English, then use even. Even they are rich. Even they are not rich. यहां तक कि वो लोग भी रिच हैं या वो लोग भी रिच नहीं हैं. Right? So for these be, everywhere you have these many options in English. Use also, use as well, use to, use either, use even. But remember that some of the words are used with assertive sentences and other words are used with negative sentences, and some are used, means not are, because even is the only word. So even is used with assertive and negative sentences. So hope I am able to make you clear using all these words carrying the same meaning in Hindi. So that's it for today. See you next time with some other topics. Till then, goodbye.